You already know English. You understand conversations. You follow meetings and videos. But when you speak, your English feels careful. You choose simple words. You avoid saying more. Later you think, I could have said that better. That's not because your English is weak. It's because you're not using the words people use every day. Today, we'll fix that. These are real spoken English words for work, daily life, and relationships. Stay with us till the end. These words change how confident you sound. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'll explain each word and what it really means in daily English.
And I'm Emma. I'll help you understand each word with 2 clear, real-life examples.
Run into. This means to meet someone unexpectedly or face a problem suddenly.
Example. I ran into my old manager at the mall. We ran into a few technical issues during the meeting.
Take care of. This means to handle, manage, or be responsible for something or someone.
Example. I'll take care of the emails today. She's taking care of her parents right now.
As far as I know. This means based on the information you currently have.
Example. As far as I know, the meeting is still on. As far as I know, he hasn't replied yet.
Point out. This means to draw attention to something important.
Example. She pointed out a mistake in the report. I just want to point out one thing before we decide.
End up. This means the final result, often different from what you planned.
Example. We ended up working late. I thought I'd stay home, but I ended up going out.
Fair enough. This means you accept what someone says, even if you don't fully agree.
Example. Fair enough. I understand your point. Okay, fair enough. Let's do it your way.
A bit. This softens what you say and sounds more polite.
Example. I'm a bit tired today. The deadline is a bit tight.
Work on. This means to try, to improve something.
Example. I'm working on my communication skills. We're working on a better plan.
Turn out. This describes how something finally becomes or results.
Example. The event turned out great. It turned out to be more difficult than expected.
Good point. This is used to agree with or acknowledge someone's idea.
Example. Good point. I didn't think about that. That's a good point. We should consider it. You don't need difficult English. You need English that works. Choose one word from today and use it in a real conversation. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more real spoken English. And comment one sentence using today's words.